After refining our resume, we can use it to create a cover letter for the job we're applying for. Click the Generate Cover Letter Draft button to generate a cover letter based on your resume and job description drafts. A cover letter serves to answer one of the most critical questions in an interview: why you want to apply for this job. I've seen many candidates mention reasons like needing a higher salary to cover expenses, wanting to work for a reputable company for career growth, or stating that they applied to numerous positions but only received this interview opportunity. While these reasons are common, to increase your chances of getting the job, you need to tell a compelling story that stands out from the typical responses of other candidates. This process takes less time than generating a resume. Now, let's review it. The cover letter is organized into different sections, making it easier for you to understand its structure. Next, let's refine your cover letter in Cover Letter Refinement section. Simply select the generated cover letter and click the Refinement button. In such cases, one effective approach is to clearly outline your career planning, explain your past work experiences, your future goals, and how your current actions connect your past to your future. This is especially crucial if you lack competitive skills or experience, or if you're transitioning from another industry or are a recent graduate. During this cover letter refinement, the AI will provide 10 suggestions for improvement and will enhance the entire cover letter based on those recommendations. Similarly, since recruiters typically spend only about 10 seconds or even less reviewing a cover letter, it's essential to refine both the content and the visual presentation to make a strong impression and enhance your chances of securing an interview. For example, Microsoft offers a variety of clear and concise cover letter templates that can help you create an eye-catching cover letter. Simply visit their website and choose a template that not only aligns with your personal style but also meets the professional standards of your industry. Once the refinement is complete, let's click on the refined cover letter and review the suggestions provided.